Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect. Now we are going to discussing about what is Docker storage, types of storage drivers available. Let's see that so that you will get some idea. So for that one, right, here we have a DevOps 0 to Hero series, day 30, Docker. What is Docker storage and also everything I have updated here. We can see that so that you'll get some idea. So first of all, what is Docker storage? Docker storage drivers manages how Docker images and containers are stored on the host file system. Example, here we have a EC2, right? In this particular EC2, we have installed the Docker and also we are seeing the Docker images as well. Okay. So this particular Docker storage, it will be managed how the Docker images will be stored and also containers on the specific file system. So as I said earlier, default path is where lib Docker, right? This is the default path where lib Docker, and here you can see that images related one, containers related one, everything that whatever we are seeing here, containers and the images, whatever layers, right? Everything it will be decided. I mean, it will be managed the storage drivers only. Docker storage drivers. Each driver uses a different techniques for layering and managing file systems. Okay, this particular each driver, right? We have a different drivers. Each driver uses a different techniques for layering and managing the file system. Docker pluggable architecture allows it to support multiple storage backend. It will be support the multiple storage backends as well. And here first we can understand what is storage driver and what are the common storage drivers available so that you will get some idea. So first of all, storage driver is a component that enables Docker to create and manage image layers and containers, writable layers, and also file system operations as well. Everything it will be enabled to create and manage this particular one. One is image layers. It means when you create any image, right, the particular layers will be available inside the images only. Inside the image overlay too, it will be there. And the next one is containers also. Once if you have a Docker image, if you run the particular image as, if you want to be run that as a container, right? The particular container related one also, it will be create and it will be manage this particular storage drivers only on the file system operations. And here, right, the storage driver, you choose whatever you are choosing that specific type, right? Depends on that one, it will be decide performance and compatibility and capabilities as well. As I said, we have a multiple Docker storage drivers. First of all is overlay 2. This is the preferred one and also default one. When you install the Docker, right, in the specific latest operating systems, Linux distributions, whether it is CentOS, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Amazon Linux 2022, Amazon Linux 2 or Amazon Linux 2023, default, it is the, this overlay 2 is the default and recommended storage driver for all the modern Linux distributions. And also, this particular uses a modern kernel feature that is multiple lower DR to effectively layer images. And also, it will offers better performance scalability than older drivers. Whatever we have older drivers compared to that one, it will be provide that better performance scalability. And no special setup is required. By default, it is, as I said, right, whatever latest Linux distributions, default storage driver is overlay 2 only. This is one of the most important interview level as well. Hey Murali, what is the driver storage driver one, Docker storage driver one? You have to tell overlay 2. Okay, fine. And in case if you want to be check it, right, whether wherever you install the Docker, which type of storage driver, for that one you can use this particular command, Docker info pipeline grep. I'm using grep command, single quotation storage driver. Just copy this one. Just I'm copy this particular one, and we already installed the Docker right here. Just I'm checking. Now, if you see here, you can see the storage driver is overlay 2. The storage driver is overlay 2. As I said, default one is preferred one, and also default one is latest Linux distributions. It is the overlay 2 only. Understand, right? If you want to be check it, you can use this particular command to verify it. Next one, overlay. Overlay is the deprecated one and also legacy version of overlay 2. Okay. And also these are used on older kernels that did not support the multiple lower div. It won't be support the particular lower directives, this particular multiple lower directives, this particular overlay one, and also deprecated as all modern distributions now support only the particular overlay to. As I said, any new Linux distributions, it is supporting overlay to only default. And next one is AUFS as well. This is also legacy one. It was default, was default on Ubuntu, that is 14.0.4 with the kernel version is 3.13. And also it is used for overlay 2, was widely supported, and also required installing in case if you are using this particular one, it required installing AUF utilities separately in many use cases, and also still supported but not recommended for new systems. It is supported, but it is not recommended. It is old legacy one only. That's why we always recommend to use overlay 2 only, and also in real time also we'll use the overlay 2 only. And also best practice, right? As I said, always use the overlay 2 unless if you have any specific kernel and OS constraint, then you can go with different drivers. But I highly recommend you to use the overlay 2 only. And also here you can see that in case if you want to be define the specifically to use the storage driver, and inside that ECT docker daemon.json file, there we can define the storage driver overlay 2, so that, and then you can restart the docker. It is always use the overlay 2 only. But even if you're not mentioning also, as I said earlier, latest Linux distributions is nothing but CentOS, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Amazon Linux, everything. Those are, we can call it as a distributions. Latest distributions, default is overlay 2 only. You don't require to especially mention this particular one as well. If you want, we can do as well. Understand, right? And here we already verified that particular one. And also here you can see that varlib docker image. And then here you can see that overlay 2 only. As I said, inside the overlay 2 only, you can see that images. If you go here, layer DB, and then here you can see that SHA code 256. And here you can see that these are the SHA codes. I mean, we can layers. Okay, these layers are related to images only. Okay, understand that? In interview level, they may ask question related to what is the Docker storage driver you are using. You can take overlay 2, and they may ask question what are the types of storage drivers available. You have to tell layer 2, and also layer overlay 2, overlay, and also AUFS. AUFS and overlay is older one, but currently most of the Linux distributions are default preferred one is overlay 2 only. And also here you can check it, and if you want to be check it, you can use this particular command as well. Understand, right? Any questions? Any question? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me by LinkedIn, Instagram, Telegram. And also we have a Tech World with Murali website. In this website, I already published DevOps, AWS, Kubernetes, Terraform, AWS networking, Helm, DevOps projects. Here we have a 1 month, 6 months, 1 year plan available. If you want, you can enroll here. Still, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.